Welcome to this instructional video on solving single and double inequalities. In this video, we will be focusing on solving the inequality -7 is less than or equal to 3p plus 2, which is less than 5. We will go through step by step on how to find the solution and express it in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. We begin with the given double inequality. -7 is less than or equal to 3p plus 2, which is less than 5. Step 1 is to isolate the term with the variable 3p in the middle part of this inequality. To do this, we will subtract 2 from all three parts of the inequality to maintain the balance. When we subtract 2 from -7, 3p plus 2, and 5, we have the following transformation. -7 minus 2 is less than or equal to 3p plus 2 minus 2, which is less than 5 minus 2. Simplifying yields, -9 is less than or equal to 3p, which is less than 3. In this step, we subtracted 2 from -7, giving us -9. We also subtracted 2 from the middle expression, removing the plus 2 and leaving us with 3p. Finally, subtracting 2 from 5 gives us 3. So our inequality now reads, -9 is less than or equal to 3p, which is less than 3. This completes step 1, where the expression was altered by subtracting 2 from every part of the inequality to begin isolating the variable term 3p. Step 2 is to isolate the variable p by undoing the multiplication by 3. To do this, we divide all three parts of the inequality by 3. This keeps the inequality balanced. First, we divide -9 by 3. Next, we divide 3p by 3. Finally, we divide 3 by 3. Simplifying these divisions gives us the following transformation. -9 divided by 3 is -3, 3p divided by 3 is p, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So our inequality now reads, -3 is less than or equal to p, which is less than 1. This means that the range of values for p is from -3 to 1, including -3 but not including 1. In inequality notation, we write this as -3 less than or equal to p, which is less than 1. In interval notation, this is written as left square bracket, -3, 1, right parenthesis. Step 2 is the final step and completes the problem by isolating the variable p and providing the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.